Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing fine and I hope you are enjoying at home and you are studying as well. So let's see why I am here today. I am here to give you an English lecture for the nursery class and our week is 7th and 8th. My dear student, we are on 7th and 8th week. So let's see what I have for you today. I am going to introduce you with two new letters. What? Two new letters which you haven't learned earlier. So let's see. Today we are going to talk about letter I and letter J. Letter I and letter J. It's an uppercase letter I and it's a lowercase letter I. Uppercase letter I, lowercase letter I. Uppercase letter I, lowercase letter I. So let's see what we can make with I. We have different things over here, but what we need to do? We need to see the other letter. Then we discuss what we can make through I. So we have the other letter that is called J. Uppercase letter J, lowercase letter J. Uppercase letter J, lowercase letter J. Uppercase letter J, lowercase letter J. So it's a J. It's a I. So we can make a lot of things with I. We have over here I, and I is a vowel. That is a very important thing. I is a vowel and it gives the sound of E. 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 I-E, ice cream. I-E, ice cream. I-E, ice cream. I-E, ice cream. So and you know you love ice cream. You like to eat ice cream. Whether it's a summer, whether it's a winter, but you love ice cream. So I eat ice cream. I eat ice. I eat ice. You use this ice to make your water cold, make your juices cold, and you love this ice as well. So, and you like the things which are made up of ice. So, I eat ice cream. I eat ice. I eat ice. And what we have over here? In the I family, we have over here is I-E, insect. I-E, insect. I-E, insect. And you have seen a lot of insects in your, sometime in your home, sometime in your garden, sometime in your school. So, you are familiar with insects, right? Insects, you can call caterpillar an insect, you can call a bee an insect, you can call a butterfly an insect, and you can call a cockroach an insect as well. So I-E, insect. I-E, insect. Then we have our reptile over here. It's green in color. It's normally found in hotter regions. So I-E, iguana. I-E, iguana. I-E, iguana. I-E, iguana. So it's the letter I. So my dear students, what you have learned today is I-E, ice cream. I-E, insect. I-E, ice. I-E, iguana. So you have learned eyes. You love eyes. You don't like insects normally. You love ice cream, and iguana is something which you haven't seen. Maybe some of you have seen iguana if they have visited the desert places normally. So iguana. We have over here iguana, ice cream and insect. These all are from I family because they all start with I. So let's see what we have over here. We have over here letter J. Letter J. So my dear students, what we can make with letter J? And what is in J's family? So let's say it's a J, 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 and it gives a sound of J. It gives a sound of J. It gives a sound of J. J, J, jackal. J, J, jackal. And jackal are normally found in forest. In forest and in the normal in Punjab, and it also hunt the other animals. So J, jackal. J, jackal. J, joker. J, joker. You like joker because it do a lot of stuff which makes you, which amuse you. So J, jackal. J, J, jackal. J, J, jackal. J, J, jackal. Jackal, 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 which you have seen in the forest. J, and you might have seen in the zoo if you have visited the zoo. J, J, joker. J, J, joker. J, J, joker. So you like joker because it has a very funny face and it do a lot of tricks to amuse you. So you love joker normally. So J, J, joker. It's a joker, joker, joker. And what do we have over here? It's a very interesting thing. It is something that girls like, that your mother like to wear. So J, J, jewelry. J, J, jewelry. J, J, jewelry. J, J, jewelry. So jewelry, normally girls like to wear jewelry. And your mothers loves to wear jewelry, and you like the jewelry as well because it's very pretty. It's very pretty. So J, J, jewelry. So we have over here is a J's family, and in J's family we have a jewelry, we have a jackal, we have a joker. But before I go further to tell you how to write letter I and letter J, let me introduce you some other things which also includes from I or J family. So what we have over here? We have over here two other things which belongs to I family. So see, it's I-E, ink pot. I-E, ink pot. Ink pot is something from which you get the ink for your pen, for your markers. So I-E, ink pot. I-E, ink pot. And it's I-E, igloo. It's a very beautiful house which is made from the ice block, like ice and blocks. So it's made from totally ice. It's normally present in Greenland. So I-E, igloo. If you ever visit the Greenland, you might have seen, you will see igloos. So I-E, ink pot. I-E, insect. I-E, igloo. So we have in the I family I-E, ice. I-E, ice cream. I-E, insect. I-E, iguana. I-E, ink pot. I-E, igloo. After that we have few other things in the J family. So what are those? J, J, joker. J, J, jackal. J, J, jewelry. And we have over here is J, J, jug. J, J, jug. J, J, jelly. J, J, jar. So we have over here jug, jelly, jar, joker, jackal and jewelry. So it's a very interesting family. We can make a lot of other things. Plus you can make the names out of it. For example, I for Imad, I for Imad, and J for James. J for James. So we have the names which starts with I and J as well. So let's see how we gonna write. What to do is we are going to make a standing pattern. So that will make our I. What we are going to do? We are going to do a standing pattern. like this standing pattern. So this is I. And for lowercase letter I, we are going to make a standing pattern with a little curve. So it's I. We are going to make a standing pattern with a little curve. So it will make I. So this is lowercase letter I. How are we going to write it? We're going to make a standing pattern and then make a little curve. So it's a I. I, uppercase I, and it's a lowercase I. So how are we going to write J? For J, first we draw a slip pattern like this, and then we link it to the standing pattern with a little curve. First we are going to make a slip pattern and then we are going to link it with a standing pattern with a little curve. So it's letter J. And for it's uppercase letter J, and for lowercase letter J we are going to make a standing pattern with a little curve. For lowercase letter J, we are going to make a standing pattern with a little curve. So it's uppercase letter J, it's a lowercase letter. So on your nursery notebooks, what we are going to do is, you are going to make letter I. You are going to practice uppercase letter I, lowercase letter I, and you are going to practice uppercase letter J and lowercase letter J. And what else you will do? You will read its letter J and then you color this letter J and then you practice that letter J. So you will keep on practicing. Now on page number 52 you have a reinforcement G, letter H, letter I, letter J. After that you will going to write on page number 54, write from letter A to letter J. Letter A to letter J, and you have to write both uppercase letter I, lowercase letter I till letter J, uppercase and lowercase letter both. So circle the given sound. So sound C, you will going to circle C. Sound A, you are going to circle all the A. Sound E, you are going to circle all the E, and sound G, you are going to circle all the words starting with G. Again on page number 56 you are going to write A till J, and you are going to, on page number 57 you have a lot of pictures over here and you are going to circle the pictures which starts with E. For example, E with X, so you are going to tick it up. So E with air, you are going to tick this up, and E for elephant, so you are going to tick this up on page number 57. And on page number 58, 59, you have seen, you have filled in the blanks letter A till J. So we have given this blanks, so you are going to place the words which are missing over here. On 59, circle the correct beginning sound and the color of the picture. It's a G, F, H. So if you feel in missing, out of which is the elephant, the wolf over here doesn't start with W, so it don't belongs to this picture. So E with elephant, G with the god, H with hand, and we can make the sound H, and H for hound. So you are going to circle them, then we write the small letters. We have given the uppercase letter, you are going to write the lowercase letter, then join the dots and complete the shape. You are going to join all the dots and it will make a very beautiful moons. You are going to join the dots from A till J. All these dots you are going to join them and then you will see it will make a beautiful moon. Then there is a reinforcement. Again reinforcement, so you will have all the reinforcements till the last page. So you are going to do all your work of first term in this notebook. Then you have a book over here. Below, I insect, I iguana, J jug, J jelly, J jar. You are going to practice this thing up. So what you are going to do is you are going to practice the whole thing. So that's it for today. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, stay safe, stay home and study as well. Thank you so much.